Heat warning. Issued at Wednesday 3:23 p.m. July 2nd, 2025. Issued by Environment and Climate Change Canada. Description. A period of very warm and humid weather is occurring. Time span. Today and Thursday. Maximum temperature today, 28 to 31 degrees Celsius. Humidex 35 to 37. Minimum temperature tonight, 17 to 20 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature Thursday, 29 degrees Celsius. Humidex 36. Locations: Annapolis Valley, northern Nova Scotia, and Cape Breton. Remarks. Cooler conditions can be expected along parts of the coast. Temperatures will turn cooler Thursday evening. ###. Heat warnings are issued when very high temperature or humidity conditions are expected to pose an elevated risk of heat illnesses, such as heat stroke or heat exhaustion. For more information, https://www.canada.ca/health-canada/services/climate-change-heat/how-protect-yourself. HTML https://health-canada/services/climate-change-health/extreme-heat/who-is-a-risk HTML. Information is provided on the Nova Scotia Department of Health and Wellness website at https://novascotia.ca/heat-related-illness/. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. To report severe weather, send an email to nstorm@ec.gc.ca or post reports on X using #NSStorm. Recommended action. Take action to protect yourself and others. Extreme heat can affect everyone's health. Determine if you or others around you are at greater risk of heat illness. Check on older adults, those living alone, and other at-risk people in person or on the phone multiple times a day. Watch for the early signs of heat exhaustion in yourself and others. Signs may include headache, nausea, dizziness, thirst, dark urine, and intense fatigue. Stop your activity and drink water. Heat stroke is a medical emergency. Call 911 or your emergency health provider if you, or someone around you, is showing signs of heat stroke, which can include red and hot skin, dizziness, nausea, confusion, and change in consciousness. While you wait for medical attention, try to cool the person by moving them to a cool place, removing extra clothing, applying cold water or ice packs around the body. Drink water often and before you feel thirsty to replace fluids. Close blinds or shades and open windows if outside is cooler than inside. Turn on air conditioning, use a fan, or move to a cooler area of your living space. If your living space is hot, move to a cool public space such as a cooling center, community center, library, or shaded park. Follow the advice of your region's public health authority. Plan and schedule outdoor activities during the coolest parts of the day. Limit direct exposure to the sun and heat. Wear lightweight, light-colored, loose-fitting clothing and a wide-brimmed hat. Never leave people, especially children, or pets inside a parked vehicle. Check the vehicle before locking to make sure no one is left behind.